Today I'm going to be reviewing YEEKRNOW 2-pack rechargeable battery for the Ring doorbell. This is compatible with 2, 3, 3 Plus, and 4 Spotlight Cam, Stick-Up Cam, and Pro. They have more information about what it's compatible with. I want to thank YEEKRNOW for sending this to me to review. All right, so what do we got here? I just put this little honey bottle here, 72 ounce, so you can kind of get an idea of the size. Here's my hand. Not very big. Really nice. I need this. The batteries on the Ring doorbell, obviously they die. You got to charge them. You got 2 here. These are 7,000 mAh. They're stronger. They'll last longer than most. Usually they're around 6,000, just over 6,000. So this is absolutely perfect. They just sit in here like that and they start charging. My only complaint would be you've got a really short cord here and it's USB. So you're either going to have to plug it into your computer or find a adapter to plug the USB in, which is not a problem. But that was just, it's such a short cord. So just keep that in mind for this. It's not a reason not to get this. This is what it looks like when it's on. Really nice. Like I said, very easy to take them in and out and use them and replace your Ring doorbell. Not much else to say. So I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.